Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the speed. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
And he helps himself to a 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. No ball called.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Deep point in place.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
No ball called by the umpire.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That's a very loose shot at this.
Than two fielders outside the inner circle.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles.
Nudges it for a single.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
Deep point in place. Oh, that must have really hurt.
Spinner into the action from the other end.
Deep point in place.
He was poking at it. He set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They would definitely have a score in their minds. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That's six. They picked up the length very early.
Pacer introduced from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is a very quick single taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
time they're placed at point.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Not just it for a single. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Last ball of the innings coming up.
That is huge, Beal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.